Action. What are you doing, Eleanor? Are you hugging the record?
Yeah, it's hugging the record.
Ah! Okay, hold on. Here's a record she really loves.
I really love that record.
Want to hug the record? Get it out?
Get it out. Oh, hug.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty. Christmas.
That's a good record. Whoa!
That was a newspaper.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that goes back into the record. Okay, here's another one. You ready?
It's the record they
Buck Owens.
And his buckaroos.
And his buckaroos. Oh. Oh.
I had the record.
Yeah.
It's the record I want to.
How about this one?
I'd love to get that record.
Miles Davis.
I love to get that record. A newspaper.
You remember when records had these special liners? Maybe you don't. I don't know. But it had like advertisements for the other records out there on the same label.
See? Look at that.